Alright, I'm Andrew Stevens here with Mountain Land at our Customer Appreciation Day, and here we have one of our vendors, Dave, from Backcountry Bikes. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. We are excited to hear kind of all the great stuff that we're going to be seeing over the next year. Can you let us know just what we can expect from...
Yeah, you bet. Backcountry Bikes, our new big term for us is Backcountry. That's our new name here pretty soon. But the e-bikes are coming a long ways. They're such a game changer, from just riding around town, commuting, to getting into the woods and hunting on them. So, I mean, making things just nice and easy to get in.
Great. All right, well, it's great to see you. Glad to have you here at Customer Appreciation Day. You're one of our great vendors. So thank you very much. You can look forward to that.
Okay, sounds good.
Thanks.
Thanks.
All right, this is Andrew here from Mountain Land Supply with SupplyWise, our podcast. We're here with Schaefer from Mountain Ops. How's it going?
How you doing?
Doing good. So what can we look forward to from Mountain Ops this year?
So this year we've got some flavors dropping this summer called our Sodalicious series. It's a summer flavor of red cream soda, orange soda, and root beer. So that's exciting. That'll be for the summer. We've also got our Elk 101 truck giveaway going on right now. So if you purchase at Mountain Land Supply, that purchase can still enter you for the truck. All you got to do is email our customer support team with a copy of your receipt or some form of purchase, and that way we can get you entered to win that truck as well.
All right, that sounds great. Thanks so much, Schaefer.
Absolutely.
All right, I'm Andrew here at Mountain Land Supplies Customer Appreciation. I'm here with Brett Beasley, former guest of the podcast, here to talk about some Milwaukee products, something we can look forward to in the coming year.
So Milwaukee has their new power threader, battery operated. It will do up to 2-inch, and it will also take the reed threaders or the rigid threaders. It has like a gyroscope in it, so if it kicks past 45 degrees, it'll automatically shut off, so it's safe. And then a couple other tools that they're coming out with later in the year is our 16-penny nailer. It is the fastest shooting 16-penny nailer on the market at over 3 nails per second. And then we will also be introducing a concrete saw that'll cut over 3 inches deep, battery operated, and it's going to revolutionize the industry on remodels, and just excited for the future with Milwaukee.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Andrew from SupplyWise, Mountain Land Supplies podcast, and we're here at our Customer Appreciation Day. And here we have Jason and Brian representing Pfister Products. What have you got for us today?
So, kind of our newest, latest, and greatest stuff is our Ren collection. This is our high-end new design with full line. So we've got it in anywhere from your Roman tub fillers, labs, white spreads, center sets, single handles, and then your tub and shower combos.
These are the two new colors. We got the matte black and then the brushed gold. I'm really excited about these. The black and gold continues to take off here in 2019.
Awesome.
Some features of this that are kind of different from the other stuff on the market is our waterfall style open spout. It's a little different than a trough style, like this trough style right here. This gives you more of a waterfall feature that comes out of there on the open trough. A little bit different than what's out there. The design of this is based on a nightgown, wedding dress. That's what we kind of designed that base on. So it's got a kind of a flow to it. Anything that has these handle hubs to there will have that flow of like a dress flow. So it's kind of neat, a little bit different than anything else in the market. Kind of our biggest movers right now are our Kenzo line. This is an open spout Kenzo. We also have an enclosed spout, front aerated. This one also comes in the matte black finish. So that's a really big popular one. This is our Contempor line. Contempor is really popular right now in the brushed gold. A little bit different, more of a modern look. This is our Deckard. This is kind of our lower price point line. It also comes in the matte black finish, which is very popular. Our kitchens, this is our newest kitchen we have, which is the Stellan kitchen. This comes in matte black, and it will soon be available in the brushed gold also. This one actually has the React technology that comes with it, which will be your electronic technology, which is touch-free. So you just swipe your hand across, and it'll actually turn the faucet on and off.
All right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being here at our Customer Appreciation. Appreciate it. All right. Hello, this is Andrew from Mountain Land Supply and SupplyWise, our podcast. And I'm here with Dee from Action Machining. And he's got a cool new product that he's going to have a little demonstration here for us. So what is this, Dee?
So this is our drill pump. You take whatever cordless drill you have on your truck, or wherever. Large open screen area. It'll pump up to about 35 gallons a minute. And if you do plug off, you can pick it up. It'll flush itself back in, and then you can put it back down in and start going again. It'll also pump up to about 18, 20 foot ahead, so you got a lot of volume coming out, plus a lot of pressure.
All right, great. Well, thanks for showing that off to us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Andrew.